Hello, welcome to Easy Track Ghana. Today we are going to have a brief talk on a day trip to Sakumono Lagoon, the Coffin Workshop, and then Lagoon Botanical Garden. Sakumono Lagoon is the closest bedding site in Accra and a home to residential and migratory shorebirds. Birds are abundant during the European winter. The species to see at Sakumono Lagoon include the Catris plover, intermediate egret, great egret, and many more. After an incredible morning, we will visit the coffin workshop at Teshi, where coffins are made based on a person's profession or career. From there, we will visit Lagoon Botanical Garden to add more taste to our trip for the day. We are looking forward to see you and showcase the beautiful birds with you. Thank you.